What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Rich. Um, that boy, Steph Curry. I just seen some highlights. Steph Curry, clutching with the threes. Hold up. That says Seth Curry. Seth Curry clutched three to tie the game. To tie the game. 76ers versus Trailblazers. Um, is Seth on the Trailblazers? I think he on the Trailblazers. So that means he should be playing with Carmelo. I don't even know at this point. People be switching left and right, but let's just get into it, man. 111, 114.
The deflection by Ben Simmons. You have size guarding Lillard and Simmons.
Oh shit! Hold on, run that back. Run that back. All I heard was the effects. Oh, my man missed. Dang.
Another chance here for Portland. They can take some clock. Man, was Jones
Who got the ball?
up there in the clouds.
I can barely see these people.
Foul here for Philly. Little scoop, no good. Sixers ball down three.
Seth with the three.
Curry to tie it. Does so.
Seth Curry.
Squares it in 114.
Seth Curry. Yo, I'm predicting before Steph leaves the NBA, him and his brother gonna play on the same team. Steph has, don't quote me, I don't even remember. I want to say 3 rings, maybe 2. But he has a good legacy. You know, he's top 10 players in the past. Once Steph came out, I don't really want to say decade. I'm gonna say 5 years. Top 10 players in the last 5 years. I guarantee you, before he leaves, he's probably gonna end up playing with his brother. He's gonna leave Washington, not Washington. He's gonna leave the Warriors. Cause everybody leaving their team. Nobody's on the original team no more. But that boy drilled it.
Who made that play?
Yeah, run that back one more time.
In transition. Finds the streaking Curry. A little hesitation right there behind the three-point line.
There we go.
Settles his feet.
There we go.
And knocks it down.